Today we're making Gochujang Cheddar mini babkas. Swirly, savory, a little spicy, and way easier to make than it looks. In this video, I'll show you how to make the filling and shape these buns. If you want the full step-by-step on making the dough, I have another video for that right here. The full recipe is on my blog and a link is below. For the filling, mix together cream cheese, gochujang, grated cheddar, a clove of garlic, and about a teaspoon of honey into a smooth paste. Take about 90 grams of dough and roll it into a rectangle about 5 by 7 inches. Spread on some of the filling, roll it up tight, slice it down the middle, and twist the halves together, cut sides up. Roll it up and pop it into a jumbo muffin tin. Cover and proof for about an hour. Towards the end of proofing, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the rolls with egg wash and bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until golden brown. Transfer to a wire rack and let them cool completely. Check out this video next to see how to use this same dough to make amazing burger buns. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.